I'm Dr. Daniel Ovalles, and I was implanted with ZEISS AT LISA 3 in my own eyes in October 2020. I am 63 years old, and I am ophthalmologist since 30 years approximately. I like go to the beach with my family, and I like to read a lot. Before the implant with the ZEISS AT LISA 3, my big difficulty was to read, to do surgery by myself. I depend on my glasses all the time. That's why I decided to get the operation with the ZEISS AT LISA 3. I chose ZEISS AT LISA 3 implant because I was doing for several years implants in my patients. My patients were very happy. The ZEISS AT LISA 3 was the best option for my eyes. It was a surprise to be a patient instead to be a surgeon, because I was a kind of scared of the outcome and if I can perform surgery after the ZEISS AT LISA 3 implant. My life after I have implanted the ZEISS AT LISA 3 was so different, because I can do everything I want. I can read, go to the beach, I can wear sunglasses, I can do surgery by myself without assistance. I can see even the smallest suture, even the 10-0. Before the implant, I had to use my glasses at the congress or conference to see the slides, to read. Now I can see the slides, I can read even with deep light, so I think it's great. My wife had presbyopia since 40 years old. She wasn't able to read, to see far, to see near. She was my assistant at my office for several years, and she knows about the ZEISS AT LISA 3. I have it implanted. She wanted to be free of the glasses, so she decided to go to the surgery. She didn't have any concern about the operation because she trusts me. My wife is very happy after having implant of ZEISS AT LISA 3 because she doesn't need to wear glasses. She can drive at the night, she can cook, she can read, she can do everything she wants. When a patient comes to my office, I suggest to do the surgery with the ZEISS AT LISA 3 if they want to be operated, because it's the best option for me and for them. I recommend to my family or to my friends to get the ZEISS AT LISA 3 as a first option, because I have 10 years with happy patients. It's the best lens in the market.